Keeping our schools clean and disinfected will be of critical importance to ensure our students and staff are healthy and ready to learn and teach. Since the school closures in the spring and over the summer, the district has been preparing for the return of students and staff to our campuses. In every school, we cleaned everything from the ceiling down to the floor and everything in between. And carpets were cleaned, hard floors were mopped, stripped and re-waxed. Everything was dusted, walls were wiped down, restrooms were scrubbed, cleaned and sanitized. All cabinets, appliances and equipment, lockers and locker rooms, athletic facilities, cafeterias, and storage rooms were scrubbed, sanitized, and reorganized. All furniture was scrubbed and cleaned, and all windows, upholstery, and blinds were given a thorough cleaning. Once school starts, an increased cycle of wiping down surfaces with disinfectant will continue as long as COVID-19 or any issue is still present. This includes daily disinfecting of all classrooms and school areas and sanitizing and disinfecting of all desks and chairs, all high-touch surfaces, and hard surface furniture and equipment throughout every single school to prepare for the next day. The district is also installing hand sanitizer dispensers throughout campus for student and staff use. The district employs the use of electrostatic sprayers on every campus, and each classroom will be supplied with safe and approved disinfectant that is able to be used on all touch points. Right before students and staff return, all surfaces will be sprayed down with a disinfectant that provides a 90-day barrier to viruses. This disinfectant will be reapplied every 90 days. The district has been and will continue to completely disinfect any area where a person is reported to have had any symptoms to prevent the spread of COVID. So, as you can see, cleaning schools may look different with our new health and safety procedures in place this fall, but our focus remains unchanged. Every child, every chance, every day.